Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to resolve the too many login attempts error in Steam. To start, we'll clear the Steam cache. First, open your File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Then go to Program Files x86, scroll down to the Steam folder, and open it. Next, locate the config folder and delete the config.vdf file by right-clicking and selecting delete. Also, delete the login users.vdf file in the same way. Once done, restart Steam to check if the problem is fixed. If the issue persists, try the next step. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet and select VPN. If you're not using a VPN, consider connecting to one. If you're already using a VPN, try disconnecting from it and see if that resolves the issue. If you don't have a VPN on your computer, don't worry. Go back to Network and Internet and scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. From there, select Network Reset and click Reset Now. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the cache in your web browser if you use Steam in a browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, go to Clear Browsing Data, and make sure you select cookies and other site data before clicking Clear Data. Another thing you can do is search Steam uptime status on Google and visit the steamstat.us website. Check if Steam's servers are online, as maintenance could sometimes cause login issues. If everything is running fine, go back to the Steam login page. Next, turn off your Wi-Fi by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner. Once you do that, attempt to log into Steam. Since you're offline, you'll see a prompt, but go ahead and choose offline mode to log in. After that, reconnect your Wi-Fi, and you should be able to access Steam online. If none of these steps work, I recommend waiting a couple of hours. The issue usually clears up on its own after some time. That's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.